Do Filipinas really want a white man? Would you date Latino or black man? For Filipinas that only want a white man, do you think it's a preference or is it racist? Now they're fighting. She said that black is more attractive. Okay, you can fight after the interview. Later. She said later. Oh. Do Filipinas really want a white man?
I think po no. Because ano po, it depends on their preference naman po.
Okay, so you think no. How about you?
Um, for me, in my own preference po, I prefer the Moreno ones po, not the white ones po. In my own preference.
Moreno is like brown skin, right?
Po.
I'm very what do you call this? Like very curious because you have white skin and you're Filipina. Do you use like beauty products?
No po.
You
No,
don't.
yeah, no po.
That's like your natural color.
Yes po,
And
yeah.
you're pure Filipina.
Yes, I'm pure Filipino.
That's beautiful. Beautiful skin. Okay, we call it mestiza. Mestiza. Okay, for Filipinas that only want a white man, do you think it's a preference or is it racist?
I think po, in my own opinion, it's a preference, not a racist po. Because it depends on their opinion naman. So, we should respect each other's opinion.
That's beautiful. We should respect everyone's opinion. Okay. Would you date Latino or black man?
Um, I think probably yes.
Okay, yes. Both, right?
Yes, both.
Okay, beautiful. What message would you like to give those who think Filipinas are racist because they want white skin?
I think Filipinas are not considered as racist because it depends on their preference. It does not mean um they are they are um yeah, I think they are not racist because it depends on their preference naman. It depends on their likings naman po which skin color do they prefer.
Yeah, especially here in the Philippines, right? A lot, like for real, a lot of Filipinos, right? Like they really want white skin, not because they're racist. It's just that they like white skin.
Yeah. It does not necessarily mean that they are racist because they preferred a white-skinned man. Yeah.
Just like you said you also like
Moreno.
moreno, which is brown skin.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. How old are you?
19 po.
19 years old. She's very cute. Okay, 19 and you're still studying college, right?
Yes po, nursing.
Nursing. Oh. Would you consider like working abroad?
Yes.
Yeah. I heard abroad working abroad nursing, oh, they earn a lot of money.
They have a lot of opportunities abroad.
What year are you now?
Second year po.
So 2 more years.
Yes, two more years po.
Do Filipinas really want a white man?
Well, personally speaking, no po. It depends on a Filipino.
It depends to the person, to the Filipina. How about you?
Well, me, no, because I'm taken. I'm in a relationship, so no.
So you don't I mean the color of the skin doesn't matter, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Just to make things clear. Okay, so it doesn't matter to you. Do you believe that there are more Filipinas that they wanted to have a man like, to be their partner and that person must have like a white skin?
I guess no, because as I say a while ago, it depends on the person po. Like if the Filipina really want a white man because she's in love with it, I guess that's it po.
Okay. 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 For Filipinas that only want a white man, do you think it's a preference or is it racist?
For me, it's more of a preference because they are the one feeling something
Mhm.
towards the person. So it's not racism. It's the preference.
It's the preference. Would you date Latino or black men?
Um, yes, maybe. Pero since I am taken, I won't date any Latino or black man. But if I would to choose any of the two, maybe I'll choose the one without looking on their color based on what I'm feeling.
Okay, okay. Based on what you feel,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Even though it's maybe he's black or he's Latino, it doesn't matter.
Yes po. It's not because of the color. It's either you love the person because of their inner personality, not the outside.
What would be your message to those who think Filipinas are racist because they want white skin?
Look at the bright side po, or the other side of the story, and be the bigger person. And I guess be more understanding because every person is different.
Every person is different. That's a beautiful. How old are you?
23.
23. You're very matured. Like the way you answer the questions, I really like it. Thank you so much. Do Filipinas really want a white man?
Um,
Yes or no?
it's a no for
Yes or
me.
no? How about you, Beth?
No din.
Why do you think it's a no?
For me kasi, Jessica, what do you think?
Okay, how about you, Beth?
What do you
Why do you think it's a no?
Ano, for me kasi, we all have ah,
We all have
own perfection inside.
opinion and perspective.
Okay. So for her, it's because we Filipinas, we have our own perspective, right? When it comes to skin. Okay, and how about you, Be?
Same po.
The same thing. Okay. Oh, don't copy answers, okay? Don't copy answers. Okay, okay. How about you? Do you really want a white man? You specifically.
For me po, no, it's a no because my boyfriend is a black man. Ay, di naman siya black man. You know, ano lang, color Filipino boy.
Okay. She said that she has a boyfriend and he is black. That's why she doesn't based on the skin color. Okay, that's very beautiful. And how about you, Be? Personally, you.
For me po, yes. Because for me, white skin is really attractive to me.
Okay, so for you, yes, you really want a white man because for you, white is attractive.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now they're fighting. She said that black is more attractive. Okay, you can fight after the interview. Later. She said later. Oh, that's a threat. Okay, anyway, for Filipinas that only want a white man, do you think it's a preference or is it racist?
Um,
Preference or racist?
a preference, I think.
Same preference.
Preference. Okay. So Filipinas, they're not being racist. It's their reference, right? Preferences.
Yes.
Okay. So you consider yourself like you're not a racist, right?
Yes.
Yes. Because, don't say that she's a race because she said that white is that's just for her. Okay? That's just for her that white is attractive. Okay. Would you date Latino or black man?
Ikaw naman din.
Would you date Latino or black man?
For me, yes din po.
Yes. Okay. Okay, yes. Even though you said that white is attractive for you, you would still date Latino or black men, right?
Yes, because if if we have different colors, um,
We have different colors and
ikaw na din
pwede, you can say Tagalog or Bicol. What?
meron tayong mga ibang color pero iisa lang po ang ating ano din?
Isa lang yun.
Ikaw na.
Diba? Kung love mo yung isang person.
I think she's trying to say that it doesn't matter, right? The color, it doesn't matter, right? Yes?
Yes po.
Okay. How about you, Be? Would you date Latino or black man?
If God provide that, I think yes.
Yes. You both are college students, right?
Yes.
May we know what's your courses?
I am a nursing student po.
What year, you know?
Fourth year, coming fourth year.
Graduating. Congratulations in advance, Be. Bless you. And you, Be?
Education po.
Major in?
Mayo man pong ano, wala pong major yung elementary. General po siya.
Oh, okay. So she's gonna be an elementary teacher. She's gonna be teaching kids. That's very beautiful. And what year, you know?
Fourth year din.
Fourth year, graduating. Why is that? Why is that you're having difficulty in speaking in English? You as a nursing, I think a lot of your, like in the books and almost of the lessons are in English. Why is that?
I'm super nervous today and lumakad po kami po dito hanggang
They were walking and then we just grabbed them here.
you know,
So she's nervous. And how about you, Be?
Nervous din po, and this is the first time we interview.
Oh, first time in front of the camera. I ask you that question because I don't want people, or I want them to understand you both. Not because you are college students, not because you are in nurse student, and your education does that mean you're excellent in English. I know in written you are both good in English, but it's just that most of us, especially here in the province, we are nervous, just like what you said, you were nervous, right? So that explains why. But anyway, hopefully we earned your subscription, and also if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for having this, for watching, and take care, everyone.
Beautiful reflections